Good morning, student. Today we will discuss sample paper. First question: seeding is a procedure by which good teams are placed in fixtures in such a way that stronger teams do not meet each others at the start of the tournament. Seeding means placing the good team at a beneficial place so that strong team should not compete with each others at the initial round up to quarterfinals. Seeding are given to the best four team according to their previous performance. The age group of later childhood is from 7 to 12 years. The correct answer is 7 to 12 years. The first the first eight, the 3P are expressed as preserve, prevent and promote. Lubrications, this is not extraversion, it's a personality types given by Big Five theory. Big Five theory, according to the emotion of a person. According to Big Five theory, it is ocean. OCEAN, openness, conscientiousness, extroversions, agreeableness, and neuroticisms. Those persons who are openness, they are adventurous, creative, creative, openness. Those who are conscientiousness, they are self-discipline, dutifulness, planned, well organized. Extroversions, those who are extroversions, they are open-minded, friendly, sociable, talkative, high energy, active. Agreeableness, those who are agreeableness, they are corporate towards the others, helpful natures, trust others. And neuroticisms, those who are neuroticisms, they have unpleasant emotion. Usually they are anger, depressions, violent, etc. Emotionally unstable. Aggression, assigning well-defined role to the athletes enhance their self competence. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a person who is classified as ectomorphic? W.H. Selden classified the human personality according to the structures, shape and structures of the body, that is endomorphic, mesomorphic and ectomorphic. Those who are endomorphic means fatty persons, mesomorphic means healthy persons and ectomorphic means lean and thin persons. Those who are ectomorphic, they have the characteristic like self-consciousness, private, introvert, less talkative, they are not sociables, um, do not communicate with others, they live in their own world, etc. The disadvantage of fatigue training is that it is difficult to judge the amount of effort made by the athletes. In fatigue training methods is used to develop the endurance of an individual. Fatigue training methods, we use the natural environment. Natural environment, and in this the coaches are unable to supervise. Which of the following is a lifestyle disease? Back pain. Back pain, it is a lifestyle disease. Which one of the following is not a micronutrients? Micronutrients, first, nutrients are the chemicals which are found in food. There are two types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are carbohydrate, proteins, fat, which are required in large quantity. Micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, which are required in small quantity. Here's which of the following is not a micronutrients. Flavor compound, it is not a micronutrients. Deficiency of which of the following micronutrients cause weakening of muscles? Potassium. The committee of officials for a sports event of various officials required for running the event is to select which of the following is a training methods for endurance development. Endurance can be developed through footwork training methods, continuous training methods, and interval training methods. Jung classify most of the uh, peoples according to ambiverts. Which of the Newton law of motions deal with acceleration? Second law of motions. According to second law of motion. Second law of motion is also known as law of accelerations. According to this law, the rate of according to second law of motions, the rate of change in velocity of an object is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. The component of physical fitness related to muscle does not include speed. Physical fitness, there are 5 components: strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, and coordinative ability. In the 4 into 10 meters Sutter run is used to measure the agility, speed. The total distance run by the athletes is 40 meters. Which of the following is not the form of league tournament? Cycling. League tournament is a tournament in which every team has to play with every other team irrespective of win, loss or draw. This tournament is a form of combination tournament. League combined knockout, it is a form of combinations tournament. Food intolerance cause nausea, stomach pain, vomiting, etc. Food intolerance, it is a condition in which the person is unable to digest the food. It is usually due to the absence of enzyme, overeating, etc. Asana helps in keeping the organs healthy. Asana, it is a slow stretching activity. Disorders can be permanent or temporary in nature. Okay, disorders, it is a problem or illness usually affect the mind. It is permanent as well as temporary. If we does not treat it, then the disorder changes into permanent disability. Frequent or excessive washing of hand, it's a symptoms of the disorders known as OCD, means occupational defined disorders. When the person suffer from occupational defined disorders, he do the same thing again and again. Which of the following is not a factors influencing motion of a child? Confidence. Discuss any three pitfall of dieting. Usually, pitfall of dieting means disadvantage or dangerous of dieting. Usually, the people skip their meal to reduce the weight, which is very dangerous for their health. Some pitfall of dietings like restrictions of some nutrients. Usually the people skip, does not take carbohydrates and fats to reduce the weight, which is harmful for their health, because all nutrients are required in a proper amount for a proper functioning of our organs. Skipping meals. People skip their meal to reduce the weight, but when they take meals, they take more milk. Starvations or crash dieting. Unrealistic dieting goals may not fit the normal schedules or preference of peoples, and therefore cannot be continued for a long period of time because the body required more food, and if the and the persons may gain extra weight. Some pitfall like extreme reductions of calories. People to reduce the weight, they reduce the calories, which cause tiredness to the body, lethargic, pain, etc. Low energy diet. People take low energy diet which affect their health. Taking less liquid. People think that if they drink waters, liquid items, then they gain weight, which is harmful for the health because our body consists of 70% of waters. If the waters is reduced, then it leads to dehydrations, lower the body temperatures, etc. Stress. People start taking the stress due to overweight. Sometimes they take slimming pills, medicine to reduce the weight without the consultations of the doctors, which is very dangerous for their health. What do you understand by hypertension? Describe the procedure for performing any one yogic asanas which reduce hypertension. Hypertension. Hypertension, it is a pressures on the wall of the arteries when the blood flow through it. Okay? Hypertension, it is a conditions when the pressures on the wall of the arteries is more. The cause of hypertension are obesity, alcohol intake, not doing physical activity, gastric problems, age factors, etc. And the asanas which is used to prevent hypertension are Tarasan, Vajrasan, Tarasan, Vajrasan, and Pawan Muktasan, Earth Chakrasan, Bhujang Asan, etc. Savasana. These are the some asanas which are helpful to reduce the hypertension. Yoga is important in our life. Justify the statement. Yes, yoga is very important in our life because yoga helps to reduce our stress, tensions. It's also help to reduce the aging process. It's help to reduce our emotional disturbance. List the disability attitude. This is non your syllabus. Next, why do players show hostile aggressions on the field? Why do players show hostile aggressions in the field? Players who want to achieve success quickly or were not able to manage their aggressions, they show hostile towards another players. Sometimes the player lose their self-control or are not able to manage their emotion, aggressiveness. Therefore, they hurt, they injure their opponent, etc. And usually, hostile aggression, it is a form of revenge. The players, the main aim is to injure the other person. It is not pre-planned. It come in the. It is not pre-planned. Anatomical factors is equipment may cause sports injury. Explain. Anatomical factors are related to make up of the body leg length difference, and body. This all are not in your syllabus. Next, state the third law of motions. Third law of motion, also known as law of actions and reactions. According to this law, for every actions there is equal and opposite reactions. For examples, when we push the waters backward in a swimming, when a swimmer pushes the waters backwards, in the returns the waters push him forward. To prevent the deformity of scoliosis, what precautions should be taken? Scoliosis, it is a problem of spine in which the vertebral column is bent sideward. The cause may be due to the leg length difference, lifting heavy object on one side, undeveloped leg or backbone, etc. And the corrective asanas like by doing a chakrasana, trikon asana, tarasana, chin up, etc. Permanent osteoporosis, this is not in your syllabus. Next, isometric exercise are very popular methods for developing physical fitness. Describe. What do you understand about them? Isometric exercise is used to develop the strength of an individual. First, strength means ability of a person to overcome the resistance. There are three methods to develop strength: isometric exercise, isotonic exercise, and isokinetic exercise. Isometric exercise, isometric, it is derived from the Latin words iso. Iso means same, metric means length. So in isometric exercise, the length of the muscle remain the same during the workout. There is no movement in the length of the muscle. Therefore, the work done is zero. There is no visible movement. For example, pushing the wall. You are pushing the wall. You are using the force. But there is no movement. The length of the muscles remain the same. Next is explain. What do you understand by a single elimination tournament? Elimination tournament means knockout tournament. Knockout tournament, it is a tournament in which a team which get defeated will eliminate from the tournament. He will not get another chance. Okay, the team which get defeated, he will out from the tournament. What are the 5 objectives of planning? 5 objectives of planning. First, planning, it is an intellectual process of thinking in advance, setting up goal and developing strategy to achieve that goal. Okay, planning is thinking in advance about setting up goal and developing strategies which are required to achieve that goal efficiently. In planning, it is a pre-work done before the program. In planning, we decide what to do, how to do, when to do, etc. The objectives of planning are to achieve the aim of the program. By making the planning, the aim of the program can be achieved. To reduce the wastage of time, to reduce the wastage of time, by making planning, it's help to reduce the wastage of time. There is a less chance of mistake. When we do planning, the chance of mistake is reduced and it's hard to improve the program, improve the event, to bring up coordinations. Planning helps to make up coordinations between various committee. Use the available resource. By making the planning, we can make the resource, make the we can make the uh, better use of available resource, making the schedules of the program to form various committee. In the planning, we make various committee and give them responsibility what they have to do. Direct and guide committee. This planning also help to direct and guiding the committee, providing management to plan program, etc. What do you understand by motor development? Motor development means Motor development means development of child bones and muscles and his ability to move around and manipulate his or her environment. Motor development, there are two types of motor development: gross motor development and fine motor development. Gross motor development means development of big muscle of the child, which help the child to stand, run, walk, jump, etc. And fine motor development means development of small muscles which help the child to do the activity like drawing, writing, catching, etc. Features of gross motor development. Gross motor development means development of large muscle, big muscles which help the child body, in which the child needs coordinations and balance, running, walking, etc. Next is Rockport walking test. Discuss in details about the Rockport walking fitness test. Rockport walking fitness test is used to measure the cardiovascular fitness of an individual. In this, the equipment required are running track, stopwatch, and assistance. First, we measure the weight in pounds, and after that we have to run or walk 1 mile, that is 1.609 meters, as fast as possible. And after that we record the time to complete the 1 mile, and immediately on finishing the run walkings, we measure the heart rate per minute, and then we find out the maximum cardiorespiratory ability by using the formula, by using this formula. Define endurance and explain the use of endurance and its type. Endurance means ability to do the sports movement with a desired quality and speed even under the conditions of fatigue. Means ability to do the activity for long period of time without any fatigue. Okay, there are endurance. There are two types of endurance: aerobic endurance and anaerobic endurance. Aerobic endurance, aerobic endurance and aerobic endurance, or we can say short term endurance. In this endurance, the activity is done for long period of time and our speed is maximum. For example, in swimming, 400-meter running, basketball, etc. Okay, we have to do the activity with maximum speed, And long-term endurance, in long-term endurance we have to do the activity for long period of time and our speed is slow. For example, in marathon running, long distance running, cycling, etc. Three factors. What are the factors? Explain briefly any three physiological factors which determine the speed. Physiological factors that determine speed are fast twitch muscle fibers, or we can say white muscle fiber. The persons who has more white muscle fibers, they have more speed. Neuromuscular response. Higher the faster the neuromuscular response, their speed will be more. Flexibility. The persons who have more flexibility, their speed is also more. ATP means energy. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Energy store. Those who have more, they will have more speed. Anaerobic capacity. The persons who have anaerobic capacity, their speed is also more. Next is, now we have complete. Let's once again we do a quick revision. Seeding. Seeding means placing the good team at a beneficial place so that the strong team does not meet at the initial round till quarterfinals. The age group of later childhood is 7 to 12 years. 3P. Preserve, prevent, promotions. Personality. Personality, it is a typical patterns of thinking, feeling and behaviors which make a person's unique. Every individuals have their own personality. No two individuals have same personality. Science classify the personality. Personality is classified into different dimensions, like physical dimensions, social dimensions, emotional dimensions, etc. Big Five theory. Big Five theory, that is ocean, openness, constitutiveness, extroversions, neuroticisms. Persons ectomorphic. Those persons who are ectomorphic, they are self-conscious, private, introvert, less talkative, live in their own world, not socially adjustables. Disadvantages of fatigue training. Fatigue training methods is used to develop the endurance. This fatigue training methods, the main disadvantage is that the coach cannot supervise it and the track may be dangerous. Sometimes the athlete may miss his running track. It is difficult to judge the amount of effort made by the athletes. Back pain is a lifestyle disease. Compound, flavor compound, it is not a micronutrients due to deficiency of potassiums. It causes weakening of muscles. Jung classify the peoples into ambiverts. Newton law. There are three types. There are three Newton's law of motions. First law of motion is known as law of inertia. Second law of motion is known as law of accelerations, and third law of motion is known as law of actions and reaction. League tournament, it is a tournament in which every team has to play with every other team irrespective of win, loss or draw. Food intolerance, it is a conditions when a person faces difficulty in digesting of food. It may be due to deficiency of enzyme or taking large amount of food, etc. And the symptoms are nausea, vomiting, dizziness. So we should avoid that food. We should consult the doctors. Asan, It is asanas help to keep our organs healthy. Disorders, it is a problem or illness which affect our mind. Disorder, it is temporary and it can be cured. Disorders like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism spectrum disorders, sensory processing disorders, etc. OCD, frequent and excessive washing of hand. It is a symptoms of occupational obsessive compulsive disorders. Those persons who suffer from this type of disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, they do the same thing again and again.